Updates and updates and more updates. I want to update you guys today on my AI marketing tool channel. We have updated Empowerly 2.0. You are now considered to become an affiliate for this program. So if you want to become an affiliate for this program, join Empowerly right now. This is a great opportunity for you to make money with Empowerly 2.0. It was released in June 2025. So it's new and you will find it in the back office when you join Empowerly Affiliates.
In today's digital world, business isn't just business anymore. It's branding, it's automation, it's content, it's speed. If you're juggling 5 different platforms to grow your brand, you're not alone. But what if you could run your entire digital empire from idea to income under one roof? Welcome to Empowerly 2.0, the all-in-one AI-powered business suite designed for today's pace. Entrepreneurs, creators, coaches, and change makers. Whether you're building a brand, launching digital products, or teaching your skills online, Empowerly 2.0 empowers you to create, market, and monetize in just a few clicks. With Empowerly 2.0, you get AI-powered ebook and product creation built-in funnel and sales page. Builder, smart QR codes to connect print and digital worlds, course and membership hosting branding kits, and mockups, analytics, and automation all in one place. No more scattered tools, no more tech overwhelm, just one empire, one platform, one vision. Join a growing network of business minds, artists, coaches, and creators who are building their future the Empowerly way. Click on the link below this video and let's start Empowerly, the all-in-one platform today in one place.
Good morning, everyone. Hello, it's Ladia Ann, and I want you guys all to get excited. Okay, so we're building, and it is actually growing. And can you imagine every month there's going to be a new tool introduced to you? You don't have to go out anywhere to invest any other programs because you're all going to have it in one platform, which is this one. And I know the team back in the back office, the Empowerly team, working on all these apps every day. I know they're probably being pressured still from Adil, even if he's absent. But I'm so excited about this, Empowerly Affiliates. And it's time to share this as soon as it comes out because it's so much it covers. You get unlimited everything, especially if you are tycoon. Okay, you can make unlimited thumbnails. This is brand new. Capturely, you can capture any screen on your computer, any picture. This is a really great one. Even a thumbnail, the AI tool will do it. Remember, Empowerly is an AI technology system. Okay, everything is going to be turned over to AI, which everyone is now experiencing that all over online. Okay, so this is exciting news for any marketers. But if you haven't upgraded to Tycoon, I advise that go ahead and do that. Okay, so you can have access to all these tools 24/7. And if you have any troubles, as I'm a Tycoon member, always go to Royal Lab here, submit your request. So you can submit your request here. All right. This is the Empowerly. If you have any questions, any problems with your Empowerly, always contact support. Okay, say hello. I'm gonna go. I just wanted to make this short, and I just want to share with all of you. Okay, if you're a pioneer or mogul, whenever you have the chance, upgrade soon. All right, before the prices go up. I'm grandfathered in, so I just pay $97. So this is great for me. All right, take care, everyone. I just wanted to share with you. Empowerly, stay active in this group. Have a great day. Hello and greetings, everyone all over the world who's ever watching this video. Welcome. I'm introducing you to Empowerly. This is a great platform, one membership, and all the marketing tools you ever need online. Now, I encourage everyone to upgrade to Tycoon. If you have joined as a pioneer or mogul, you're still grandfathered in to get the $97 a month. You're not going to find something like this. This is multiple tools all in one platform, one membership. Okay, so you can even pay yearly if you would like, and that will be the cost.